Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I am honored that you would come here. This is Everyday AI and me, and I'm V. And the reason I made this channel is to help you understand how ChatGPT can change your life. It can save you so much time. This is going to be a deep dive into lab work. And what I mean by that is when you get labs done these days, blood work done, it seems like it's through either Quest or LabCorp. And if you do go through Quest or LabCorp, then you have access to your records. They have a portal where you can download the PDF and then have it on your computer. And I'm assuming that you've worked through that and you have a PDF either from your doctor, from LabCorp, from Quest. I personally, when we do lab work, we get it done. If it's not covered through insurance, we get it done through jasonhealth.com. And then I have access and they give you the results right there and you download it. So no matter how you get the labs done, where you get them done, this video is going to assume that you have the results. So hold on just a moment and I'm going to screen share. Okay, now for the screen sharing. I'm going to put in here, ChatGPT has this paperclip icon, and that's where you can upload a file. As I mentioned, from wherever you got it. Doesn't matter if it's your doctor, jasonhealth.com, LabCorp, Quest. Just click on that, and I'm going to upload just a generic report. Okay, so she's uploading the lab. I want you to say review labs and share any concerns. Okay. So first of all, the glucose is high. The A1C is high, it's 6.2. And she goes over all of the stuff that is of concern. This obviously is, I'd like to think that it's a male because the testosterone is at 222. So that's low. Cholesterol. Okay, so it says these results point to some metabolic and cardiovascular risks should be addressed. Okay, so what are the ways that the blood work or health conditions can be improved? What recommendations? Oops. Okay, so dietary modifications, reduce added sugars. That's a generic thing, but it doesn't matter. Somebody may not know how to do this. So portion control, increase fiber, reduce added sugars, and eat low glycemically. Exercise and weight management. How you improve your cholesterol, she goes through that list of things. So right now, there's things in common, which is diet and exercise. And all of this is shared. Now, the bun creatinine ratio was elevated, which could be that the person's consuming too much protein. They could be consuming too much salt, or they were not hydrated during the testing results. So again, you see, okay, then I want her, it was complicated because it showed. So summarize and group together all suggestions in one place and not by issue. Oops. Again, my video is in the way of me seeing, so I make a lot of typos, but she doesn't, it doesn't matter. She gets it. Okay, so there's the overall changes that's recommended based upon all of the labs. And it's mostly diet and then exercise recommendations are right there. So, oh, she categorized it by diet, exercise, lifestyle changes, and then supplements. So the supplements you can get into where she says fish oil, and this is where you can say, can you make a recommendation for one supplement that addresses all of the issues. It's probably going to be like a multivitamin, I don't know. One option is Pure Encapsulations Metabolic Extra. So it addresses any of the areas that might help with the glucose regulation, cardiovascular health, hormone balancing. Okay, so how much is that supplement? Where could I buy this supplement? Is it highly rated? Okay, so now whenever you see these little quote marks, that's the link. So if I clicked on that, you would not see where she took me, because, oh, right there it shows the URL. I hope that shows up in your screen. But that's directly through Pure Formulas, and she gives a link. I never stayed on the link long enough to have that pop up. Okay, so if you click on it, she'll take you there. But during my screen share, I can't show you that. But you see the link that she goes to. So anytime you see those blue quote marks, that's a link. And at the top, when I ask her to search places, normally she, like right here, there's two places that she derived this information from. So, oh, nope, and up there she says that's the links to those places, but right here she says she searched 5 sites. So this is a way where you can drill it down. I've asked, what can I change? She gave you diet, exercise, lifestyle changes. Then I asked if there's any supplements, but I don't want 10 supplements. I want one. Give me one supplement that will address my current health issues according to my lab work. And that's what she did. So for people that have more complex situations, which I'm going to get into, there's going to be another video that's going to address 23andMe and raw genetic information. So keep your eyes out for that. That is fascinating. So hang tight, and I appreciate it. If you have any suggestions, any hobbies or anything that you need me to address, please mention it in the comments and I'll create a video just for you. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. You're not new at that. Thank you.